Hi everyone. In Kladana, you can record your sales and purchases. Let's see how it works, and in this video, we shall review purchase flow. First, we need to create a purchase order. In order to do that, go to Purchase section, open Purchase Orders tab, and press plus order button. In transaction form, choose supplier, warehouse, add products, check prices, tax rates, change if required, save the order, and if necessary, print requests for quotation. After order is confirmed by a supplier, put tick on Allocate order to awaiting stock option. If this tick is on, items will be shown as in transit in stock report and in other transactions. Also, you can fill the date in expected delivery date option. This date will be shown in the list of all purchase orders, and you can track orders if there is a delay. After goods are physically arrived at your location and counted by warehouse people, record a receiving against sales order. For that, go to purchase order and press add related button. Choose a receiving. Let's imagine that our supplier confirmed the entire purchase order, but he will deliver goods in 2 parcels. After the first delivery, we receive only one of 2 items. Let's record this partial receiving. I choose the item Apple shampoo and then in add related tab, choose receiving. New receiving is created only for Apple shampoos 200 pieces. All data is filled, save it. Now let's see how to record a purchase return. For example, I want to return 40 pieces of shampoo. Purchase return can be created independently in this section of purchase return. Or I can record purchase return against the receiving where these Apple shampoos were received. Let's take a look at the stock level for both items that were ordered. In the section Inventory, open Stock tab and find items using filter. In my case, I will use a saved bookmark. Here you can see the products available under folder Cosmetics. For each product, you can check its current stock level on hand. Quantities promised to your clients, column committed. In transit means expected from the supplier, and column available shows the inventory available for sale along with the units of measurements. Also, we can analyze stock movement. This we can do in stock movement report. Let's open it. Again, I will use saved bookmark for filter. We only received Apple shampoo, so stock movement is available only for it. Here you can see columns such as opening stock, which means the initial stock for the product. Stock in means the products which you received in your inventory. Stock out means the product which was reduced from inventory. And in closing, you can see the stock on hand. We have created a basic purchase flow and looked at 2 important inventory reports. Our flow consisted only from 3 records: order, receiving, and return. But also you can record invoices and payments. All this can be done via using add related button. For example, for this purchase order, we recorded first supply invoice and for it inward receiving of goods with return and ongoing payment. Also, we recorded a second invoice but still have not received goods and have not paid it. In the list of purchase orders, you can monitor the current state for purchase orders, if it was paid, invoices received. For example, for the case above in the list of purchase orders, you will see the following: completely invoiced, partially paid, and received. Receivings and returns both affect on hand and available stock per item. Purchase order, if marked as awaiting, affects in transit stock. Supplier invoice does not change stock level. It is used only to control payments. That's all. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.